So for today's theme, our theme is pumpkin patch. So I use this kind of cute makeup and of course the hair with the bangs and color orange. Then dinagdagan ko ng hair para mas makapal tingnan yung buhok natin. And dress, and I choose this kind of dress para medyo pumpkin style siya. Iniba ko lang yung color and of course combination of black. So, hanap naman tayo ng shoes. I choose this boots para mas cute siyang tingnan doon sa ating dress. And hahanap tayo ng props. And ang napili kong props is this ball para mukha siyang pumpkin. Kaya lang mukha talaga siyang literal na bola. But not bad. Mukha na siyang pumpkin. Isipin na lang natin na pumpkin yan. And accessories. Iniba ko yung color ng bola natin. And I used crown, flower crown. Iniba ko lang ng color para magmukha siyang leaves. And dahil hindi ako satisfied sa kulay ng bola, iniba natin ng orange. And of course, gloves, color black. And tada! So here's my final look. So don't forget to follow me, to like and share this video for more gaming video. Thank you. Ciao.